Hi, kids. Are we all having some Cheetos? Okay, hold on. Yeah, who's going to have that one? Oh, Kitty is. Are you having a Cheeto? Kitty having a Cheeto. Okay. Hold on. Let Kitty have a Cheeto. Is Kitty coming? Is Kitty coming? Are you going to come and get that Cheeto? Huh? Or don't you like Cheetos enough? Jackson's going to get it if you don't get it. Alrighty. Go ahead, Jackson. Oh, it's a good Cheeto. Did you miss out, Kitty? Okay, we'll try it again. Oh, we're motivated yet again, huh? Cheetos are good. And then Jackson's been such a good boy, he can have another. And then does the Celeste want another Cheeto? Okay. Chicken skin and Cheetos. The great equalizers. Alright, Kitty's not coming. It's all yours, buddy. Oh.